Hello Fanhai, I have posted where you have to take your profits, the targets related in the chat box. Please check it out. The first target here is in L and T is 3540. The second target is 3740. Okay. In Bank Nifty, it is taking support at the initial balance low. Is it low? The indices are taking support at the pivot points. So we can expect some bullish move in Bank Nifty as per my analysis. Is a reason for that? Once it closes above 46,007 740 around, we can expect some good move in Bank Nifty. For that, Nifty also should close above this level, this pivot. Then zero hero trade will happen on this day as per the analysis. The immediate obstacle in Nifty is the turning point. Okay, but we can expect on rest of the day to move the price in a bullish way. This is my expectation. I was still bullish in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I was still bullish in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yeah, guys, the reason for the bullishness here is this. Okay, this is the Virgin CPR. Okay, the Virgin CPR acts as strong support when the price coming from upside. Hope you understand. Even though it is showing some form of bearishness here, at some point of time it will take support here and move the price till the CPR. If the global market sentiment is neutral, okay, neutral, this may happen really fast. If the global market sentiment is really negative, then only it could cross this Virgin CPR. That is why at this point of time, the support S2 is acting as strong support. See this candle, again it wants to move upwards with this candle. Okay. This is the Virgin CPR. Okay, this is the Virgin CPR. The price isn't in this CPR, so this called as Virgin CPR. For the next day, it is going to act as support for the price to move upwards. Okay, still bullish in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, again, I'm explaining why I am bullish in the market. See, this is the high probability trade location. You can see here. This green line is the high probability trade location, and the price is taking support in the first 5-minute candle low from the high probability trade location, which gives you right entry. Okay, once it took the support here, when the price again comes here, there are buyers who stay at this location, okay, and they want the price to move in a bullish way. To support this, you can see here at the S2 pivot in Nifty, it is consolidating at this area. Okay, the reason for this is there is a fight between buyers and sellers. And my view is bullish in the market. My expectation in Nifty is this. From this point of time, it will reach the CPR. This is my expectation. I felt no, it's not feeling. There is a probability. Okay, there is a probability for that. There is no feelings and emotions, only probability here. Okay, let's check what is SGX Nifty is doing here. It is showing bearishness. That's why the indices are not moving anywhere. The overall global sentiment is negative, so they push the price. They want the price to push lower, and let's see what will happen. Fanay, if you are here, this I have posted your targets of L and T in the chat box. Please check it out. There is a reason for those targets. So please tell me on what topic I can do video, next video, and I will post it in the YouTube. What topic do you want to do me a video? Whoever watching this live, please tell me in the comment box so that I will make a video on that particular concept. Staying sideways now. Let's delete this. Okay, our expectation is this. From this point it will reach the CPR is our expectation. This is the initial balance, high and low. So those who are watching this, I would like to show you a video on Virgin CPR because this is the Virgin CPR, right? You may enter in the middle of the live stream. You don't know what is Virgin CPR and its power. Let me play you a video on Virgin CPR so that you will understand the importance of that. Okay, let me check for that and I will show you Virgin CPR which I have done long back, but the concept, the quality may not be good, but the concept is the same. Okay, let me post it here. It's all about, okay, I got it.
As well?
Absolutely, I can.
Hi.
Welcome to Trading Tips for Indices YouTube channel. The power of Virgin CPR, and Virgin CPR is nothing but a CPR that has no candle inside it, that it looks like this is called Virgin CPR. The strategy is whenever price came to this Virgin CPR, we have to take buying opportunity when the price is above the Virgin CPR. If the Virgin CPR is above the price, we have to sell it. This is the strategy. This is called Virgin CPR. Now, during my back testing of several strategies, today also I am doing my back testing and I came to know a Virgin CPR long back, and I want to test this because from the long back it doesn't tested, the price doesn't tested that Virgin CPR, but I'm shocked to see the results about the Virgin CPR, and I just wanted to share with you how it took support. A long back Virgin CPR could also act as a support or it acts as resistance. I will show you in my charts how it looks like. When you see here, today, that means 23rd September, a big bearish day has happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. The reason is Fed has increased its interest rates so that the foreign institutional investors are pulling out money from the stock markets. That is the reason why this big downtrend day has happened. And if you see here, this reversal, these two candles has reversal wicks, long wicks in the sense they are buyers present here. In the same way, Nifty also you see long wicks. This long wicks in the sense they are buyers present
here, and the price is taken like this due to buying pressure. And I will show you why this happens, and you also may be shocked to see these results, because when I am back testing, I saw that Virgin CPR and I plotted that Virgin CPR till today, and I found that Virgin CPR is working as strong support in Nifty and Bank Nifty today also. Let me take you to the Virgin CPR. You can also check in your charts about this Virgin CPR. On 8th September 2022, we are having a Virgin CPR, and now let's plot this Virgin CPR till today. That means today is 24 September, and let's plot till 24 September. See, it is taking, it is taking exactly support at the Virgin CPR bottom pivot. Okay, if you see here in Nifty also same has happened. This is a Virgin CPR. Let me show you where this Virgin CPR. This is from 1st September 2022. This is the Virgin CPR, no candle inside the CPR. So plot this. You have to check what I am saying so that you will get more confidence in my strategies, that these strategies are going to work out in the future also. So go to the charts of 30th August 2022 and check this CPR in 30-minute time frame and plot this to the 24th September chart, so that you will get confidence about this Virgin CPR strategy. If you see here, this is also taking support from Virgin CPR. That's why this long wicks has present here. This is the power of Virgin CPR. Now the question comes here, who can use this Virgin CPR and make their living? Personally, I believe that this Virgin CPR strategy is for option sellers, because there is no straight away moves from Virgin CPR. The target is 1:2 risk reward or current day CPR. That means if this price, that means tomorrow the price has found support at Virgin CPR, and your target can be today's Virgin CPR. That means this day we are getting support from here, and today's CPR is going to be your target. Okay, otherwise 1:2 risk reward. Why I am telling this for option sellers? Like option sellers has theta decay advantage. That means they are getting the out of the money buyer value to the to these sellers, so they will get theta decay advantage in this strategy. Whenever you play this strategy on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, you will face theta decay. Being in the market for so long time means buyers will get disadvantage of theta decay and their premium will get eroded. You will not get any money in your trades. So this is not a straight away move to the target, but there is higher chances of probability to reach your target in this strategy. Be an option seller to make the best out of that strategy. This is the one thing I want to share with you, because this form of confirmation is not a simple one, because so long Virgin CPR also working the best in the charts till date. You have to understood the power of Virgin CPR and apply this to your trading journey, and I can assure that using only Virgin CPR strategy with option selling can make your living. Thanks for watching my videos.
we're back in third quarter planning. Adams is quarterbacking this project, and she is looking pretty tired, Jill.
She's stuck, Bill, and that deadline is looming.
It looms for us all, Jill.
Wait a minute. She just pulled up Grammarly.
That is a smart move by Adams.
कि मेरे स्टॉक के अंदर में जीरो होने की संभावना लगभग नहीं के बराबर है, बट मैंने
See, I'm bullish in the market still. It is taking support at the initial balance low in Nifty. There are so many power of confluences here. I'm bullish in the market still. There are higher chances to the price to move till here in Nifty here. In Bank Nifty also till here. There is so many power of confluences in Nifty. So nice setup. Slowly it is showing the momentum. See, the markets are not going to move upwards or downwards like a straight line. For example, like this, they won't move. They move like this. When they want to move up, there is a spike like this, some correction like this, some consolidation, and again there is a movement, some consolidation like this. Okay, this is how the market is moving from this point to this point. We have to be very patient in the form of consolidation. Okay, in the form of consolidation, most traders lost their money at consolidation phase if they are option buyers, or if the volatility against them is little bit high. Then what happens, it comes like their entry is this. Okay, and they place their stop losses below the entry candle. There is a consolidation here, right? So if there is a volatility against them, this is what happens. It goes till here, takes their stop losses and moves in their direction. This is what actually happens. Okay. So you have to be very patient during this phase. All this comes with experience. Do trade the markets like this for a period of time. Don't expect profits at first. Profits will come as the byproduct. Okay, byproduct of your analysis, your conviction towards the market, everything aligns with your process. Once you are good, you are refining your process, your system, with small amounts and you are journaling everything in the trading journal, then you will be able to make money from the markets. But keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. There should be some form of learning in your trading journey. Without learning, think of this, anybody can come and take money from the markets, right? Anybody can come here with just a smartphone and a demat account, some amount, they'll come and take money. Why it is not so easy for so many traders to make money is the lack of confidence. There is a myth that they can come to the markets, buy something, sell something, they'll make money. No, it's not like that. This is something like any other profession which requires some learning curve, which requires some patience, which requires to know the pros and cons of the system with one or two lots. If you crack the exact mindset or the strategy what you needed to trade the markets, then you have to scale up. This is the step by step process, and in that process you should go one by one. You should not go from step 1 to step 4, step 2 to step 5 like this. There is a process, and I have created a process for that. Let me show you if you are new to this live. Yeah, this is the path. Okay, if you are a newbie in stock market or the day trading, this is how you should learn a system. Okay, with the CPR pivot point system, you're going to learn what is initial balance high, initial balance low, which is the step 1. The concepts regarding initial balance high and low you have to learn. And the second step to make money from the markets is you should be able to gauge the market's sentiment, whether on that particular day it is bullish or bearish. What is the probability of having bullishness on that day, bearishness on that day? For example, see here. See why I am expecting some bullish movement from here till here in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, because of the pre-market analysis. Okay, pre-market analysis, the experience, everything tells you what you can expect from the market. Now, okay, the third step here is you have to guess the moment, whether it is going to be trending or it is going to be sideways. This is the third step. You have to guess the moment about it. Now, the fourth step is you should know the trend. What is the trend? Whether it is uptrend or downtrend or it is in the consolidation phase, what you can expect from the market, to be bullish in the market or bearish in the market. After learning all these things from the CPR pivot point system, then you have to plan the trades. To plan the trades, you have to do the pre-market analysis with all these things. Like in addition to that, we need to know about swing highs, lows, gap orders, like that. The last one but very important one is trading journal. You need to learn all these 6 steps to analyze the markets and make money from the markets. Hope you understand what is the step by step process if you are a newbie in this arena or you're not sure about your trading system. This is the step by step process. Now the market is still consolidating here. It is not having much momentum in the market. Okay. Now what you should do here is wait patiently. Okay. This is a good setup in Nifty. Now let's check what is SGX Nifty is doing. Still SGX Nifty is in minus 130, which is an indication for the bearish sentiment. Okay. But I'm still bullish in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Because both are in good supports, taking support from good areas. Maybe it is consolidating, but by the end of the day, I'm expecting a bullish move in the market. Here, the turning point is acting as resistance. Let's go to the pre-market analysis document. I don't know whether you are new to this live or you are an existing person. If you are new to this, I do my pre-market analysis very systematic way. Okay, very systematic way. I make sure that I don't miss any small detail to look after in the pre-market analysis, and by taking all these factors I come to a conclusion about the markets. Okay, I'll mark everything in the charts, and then with that pre-market analysis I come to the market like this. Okay, like this. See, these are the high probability trade locations. Even before the market opens I have marked, and I'll come up with these location and I analyze the trades. In the live market, then I will take the trading decisions. This is what actually a trader have to do. Okay, if you want to survive in this field of stock market day trading, you want to make this as your full-time career, you should follow all these steps. You should give some time to learning and have some experience with just one lot. Then after a few months, you will build some confidence towards making money. In this learning area, you should not expect any money from the markets. In fact, you should be ready to give some money to the markets is the form of fee. Okay. Why? Because when you are giving small amounts, you will understand and you know the pain of losing money. So you will stick yourself to a system so that you can make money. Okay, all the small mistakes, rectify the small mistakes, then scale up your trading business. For example, you need 1 lakh rupees. Okay, you need 1 lakh rupees to maintain your house every month. What you should do? At first, you should not come up with the idea of making 1 lakh per month. Okay, you should at first you should not be like this. The actual thing here is you should aim for 10,000 per month from the stock market. Okay, so at this point of time you should be very peaceful, calm, and the most important thing is you should be happy about learning the process, not very sad or sorry about losing small 1,000 rupees. Okay, 1,000 2,000 rupees in the market. We should give some fee to the market to learn the good things from the market. Why I am saying this? When you are entering every trade in the market and it is working out really well in your way, you haven't learned anything, just came here and put your money making money. Then there is a time of consolidation and the market goes against in your direction, right? From one trend to another trend, it should move. it should move from one trend to another trend. During that transition phase, you will face problems. If you haven't learned anything, how to trade uptrend, downtrend, and sideways action, what will you do? You will go into the market with same lots. Okay, for example, 10 lots. You don't position size yourself. You will go with 10 lots. There are chances to to your capital to loss in 1 or 2 trading days. So you should be able to make 10,000 rupees consistently from the market. Then you should scale up to, okay, you should scale up to 1 lakh income per month. Okay, this is what exactly you should do as a trader. Now, this is the systematic way of, okay, this is the systematic way of doing things for me. Then again, what I will do, I will write down the lessons I have learned. If it is opening up, this happened, the exact lesson I have learned on that day, I will be writing and posting a chart like this. Why? By posting a chart like this, you will see the exact price action on those 2 days. What happens is your pre-market analysis approved by the market or not. Everything will be understood here. Okay. This is the way I do the pre-market analysis. And the benefit of writing all the journals, everything is you will develop an intuitive feeling towards the markets. Okay, along with your analysis system, everything, you will develop this sort of analysis. This point, it is consolidating because traders who trade CPR pivot points will know there is going to be a bullish action at these candles. I should say this: VWAP, RSI, CPR pivot points, Camarilla pivot points, straddles, strangles. All these indicators are good indicators and good strategies. What you have to learn is there are times these are facing some kind of problem due to the transition phase from uptrend to downtrend. What happens? There is going to be some fight. New traders lost money at this point and they think that the particular system they have learned is a bad system. It is not giving some good returns to them. No, it's not like that. Any indicator is good if you know how to use it. Okay? If you know how to use it, any strategy, any indicator is good. And the intelligence here is you should find out what suits you. For example, I'm a kind of a directional trader with CPR pivot points. I will include anything in this CPR roadmap and see the markets. For some traders, they don't like CPR pivot points. They are good at straddles, non-directional trading strategies. They like to firefight with the market. For me, I should maintain my personal life because I'm a mom of 2 children I should maintain the personal life with the professional life. Okay, so I would like to include as many good qualities in my system as possible. That means I should feel less stressed during the market hours to handle the personal life after the market hours. What happens usually? The stress is very high in non-directional trading strategies, which you need some lakhs of rupees to make the adjustments. So why I have chosen the system here is this. I could enter the markets, place the stop losses, and I will step back and see what will happen. If it is reaching my destination, I will definitely get out of the markets and see and do my other stuff like learning some household chores like that. I am a simple mom. I am a housewife. Just finding out that if I could make trading as a profession for me. For that, I will manage both these things. So, I choose this sort of system. Hope you guys understand. Like that, you should understand your personality. Whether you're having high risk appetite, or you are a low risk appetite person like me. You want peace during the market hours. You want to be having some good income from the stock market without big tension or stress. So keeping all these things in the factors, you should select your uh, system. Okay, for me directional trading is the key, and I do use Camarilla pivot points, CPR pivot points. Majority of the time I am with Camarilla pivot CPR pivot points. There is a reason for every movement in the market. There is a reason for consolidation. There is a reason for expansion phase. Okay. There is a reason for the price to move from this location till this location. Again from here till here. Okay. You should understand this and trade the markets in a better way. If you are someone who really wants to learn all these things, I mean, CPR pivot points and all the stuff, psychology related stuff, you can contact me. I have a course on CPR pivot points. And if you would like to learn all these things, please mail me at this. This is my mail ID. You can mail me at this mail ID so that I could give my course details, everything else. So I'm not sales pitching here now, but I would like you guys to learn a system, whether it is this or that, and stick to that system for about 3 months and see the results. If anybody over there making some good amount from the markets, we can also make money from the markets, but we should find out a way to do it. We should plan how to make money from the markets. What is the risk you have to bear to make money, right? For any business, you need to invest, right? You need to invest. You need to wait for some time to get returns from that business. Okay, isn't it? Like that, trading is also a business. It's not like a time pass thing to do. Try different systems. Okay, try non-directional trading systems. Try directional trading systems. Then you will understand what it is actually. For that, you need to give some time. This is called learning curve. By taking the course, you are reducing your learning curve. You can also go there and buy some books on these systems. There are hundreds and thousands of books over there. So if you learn the books also, you will get some good knowledge. Okay, let me show you my library here, e-library, where I have been. Just a moment. On the day I have started day trading, I have been reading some tens of books. On those books, I'm gaining all this knowledge. Okay. You can also learn those books and get the knowledge out of them. If you are not having that much time to read all these books, you can take a course. A course is something that reduces your learning curve from 1 year to 6 months, from 6 months to 3 months. It's not like a profit maximizer, it is like a survivor and learning curve decreaser. Hope you understand what I'm saying. If you have time to read everything like this in various textbooks and you could gauge the concepts of trading, you can definitely go and take these books available in Amazon and you can learn them. By learning them and implementing them in the markets, you can make money. If you are not having that much time and energy to gain that knowledge, you can opt for taking some courses. That's it. It is still consolidating, showing some bearishness here. Now let's check the SGX Nifty here. The SGX Nifty is still bearish. So it is here. If the SGX Nifty is moving upwards, at any point of time it could move like this. One more important thing here is you should make markets in your life. See, you should not divide markets and your life differently. Okay, it should be one of the most important quality you should have. At any point of time, you should not stay away from the markets, as per my view. Hello, Sarma sir. Good morning. Have you started watching the videos? Please tell me. And this is a suggestion that first 1 month you should concentrate on learning, then back testing, forward testing, paper trading, then actual trading. Yes. Hi, Pavan Krishna. Hi. Yeah, Ganesh Ram, we have a generator for our home, but we don't have connection for the Wi-Fi slot. There is a problem there. So my Wi-Fi disconnects when there is a power off. That is the problem for the disconnection. Whenever there is a disconnection, simply wait for some more time. Then I will reconnect with the live. Then you can watch this video. Okay, Ganeshram and Sharma sir. Oh, thank you, Sharma sir. Yes, it is very effective course, and you should include the concepts within you. What I am saying, yeah, you should include those concepts within you, and whenever you see the charts, you should recall one of the strategy from that. If you came to that position, then you have to paper trade, then real trades. This is the actual way to learn a system, Sharma sir. After completing the course, please tell me if you have any doubts. Write down them in a piece of paper so that I will definitely address them. And one more thing, this is a stressful environment and you should maintain your habits, sleeping habits, eating habits, exercising habits, praying habits. Okay, whoever there in this live, I am telling to you, if you want to make stock market day trading your profession, you should maintain the work balance within you. Okay, sometimes me also, I'm saying all these things, I'll face some sort of moving from the zone. That means I do not sleep much. Some days I do not eat properly. Some days, okay. Right after I recognize that I'm doing all these things, I stop doing everything. Okay. Then again I come back to the line of work-life balance. Okay, from that day onwards, I stopped doing all the nonsense. When life takes over, whoever it may be in the world, when life takes over, they will forget what they have to do. There is a lot of noise over there in our lives. Okay, once you understand all those things, you have to do one thing. You have to ask yourself questions. Is it important to me to do this? For example, I do watch YouTube shorts now and then. I deliberately put the password to my YouTube in my phone. Okay, so sometimes what happens when I open that, unconsciously I'm watching for hours. After I understood that this valuable 1 hour I'm wasting watching YouTube videos, I just put my phone off, or I will give it to my mother or my husband and just concentrate my work. Okay, sometimes I don't exercise. So right after I recognize the problem, I take action against that problem. This is what you have to do. Hope you guys understand when you want to be in this field. Okay. And you should be in high frequency mindset. I'm going to make an exclusive video for this concept, high frequency mindset. Did anybody know about high frequency mindset? I don't know what it is. I mean the exact name for this. The name I put for that mindset, growth mindset, is high frequency mindset. I'm going to do an exclusive video for about this in my course. Why? Because any trader should have high frequency mindset to achieve success in day trading as well as in personal lives. Okay. Is anybody know about high frequency mindset? No, Ganesh Ram, no. Okay. If you don't know about it, yeah, high frequency mindset is something that you keep yourself in a good frequency. That frequency is called growth mindset. Okay, I will give you an example for that. If you are having struggles in your life in the past 10 years, what will you do? A common human will do this. Oh, that has happened in my life, and that's why I am here. I am like this. I am in this position, in this wrong, worst position like this. A common human think like this. But a high frequency mindset person, no Ganesh Ram, after course no live market support, because right now I have to withdraw my demat account and money for some reason at my home. Once the money comes back to me, I will stop doing these live sessions and I will concentrate on day trading. Hope you understand. I'm not a live trading support person. I'm just giving you how to analyze the charts in between this leisure time. That's it. Okay, where I am? Yeah. Last 10 years you are facing struggles. Common person thinks that because of that person I am like this. Otherwise I am very good person. I have my financials are so good like that. No, a high frequency mindset person thinks like this. Because of that struggles I am here, right? Think of your just think of your most biggest struggle you have faced in your life, and you will understand the good out of it. Because of facing that struggle, you are here in your life. Without facing struggles, nobody grows in their lives. Okay, be like a high frequency mindset person, growth mindset person. Think that every struggle comes to you, every person, every negative person comes to you in your life to teach something. For my case, let me explain about me, then you will definitely understand what is high frequency mindset. From childhood onwards, we are some good financial family. We do have some good property. I'm not saying that we are so rich. No. A common person who wants everything my parents could give it to me. Like that. A balanced family. And the last 10 years, I have been facing big financial struggles. Okay, due to some persons, actually due to some persons, we are facing that. I keep on dwelling on the past and I'm not going anywhere in my life. I'm not growing. I do read so many books like Secret, Personal Development. I do love reading books. Even though I know everything, for few years I was in a dilemma of dwelling on my past, keep on thinking about the persons they did this financial nonsense in my life like that. Okay, at some point of time I have realized that I am a person like this. Literally, I am a person who don't know about any financials in my life. Any financials. Okay, why? Because I am a only child to my parents. They just keep me really in a good environment. They don't let anybody hurt me like that. You can understand what I'm saying. So at this point of time, what happens, my dad has died last August, and I am the only person to take care. I mean, as a hire of our property, I am the only person to take care. Now, because of those struggles, I have understood the life better. Okay, a person who doesn't know anything about the financials, now I am a person who take care of my financials. I will take care of my children. I can handle a few lakhs in my hand. Without the struggles, what happened exactly, I will definitely give that money to the person who asks me. Okay, whoever near to me, if they are in problems, I am a person like giving that money without interest. A person like me turned myself through that struggles to a point of time where I can increase our property. okay, where I can teach my children about the financials. So this is called high frequency mindset. Okay, don't blame the persons that is giving you some struggles. Just ask yourself at this point of time what I am learning in this situation from this person, how I can improve my life, my children's life, my family's growth, how I can do it. Okay. Another example here is when I am going through all these struggles, I I want to get out of that point of time, and I don't know how to do it. There is a time, whatever you know, you can't do anything. So I pulled myself from that situation and I put myself in stock market day trading. Okay, I started day trading, lost some money, then I have learned, I have back tested, forward tested, doing all the stuff, become a break even trader, then become some money from the markets, taking some money from the markets. Now I want to scale up the process. Okay, this is what I have learned about high frequency mindset. Now think of one struggle you have been facing throughout your life and take 3 important lessons from that and just go back to that time. Close your eyes, go back to that time and just relieve that pain from your brain and heart. I want you guys to do this right now. Why? Because when you wanted to be a trader, your brain should focus on most important things in your life. Very most important thing in your life, like your children. Definitely, I know that those who are here, they love their children. They want to give the best to their children. So your importance here is your children, your health, your spouse, your family. Other than who are in your life are just temporary, right? Just go back to the situations and pat yourself back that you have get out of those struggling points and you are making your family now meeting their needs, everything. This may be boring, but this is true. Develop a kind of high frequency mindset. That means you should be optimistic. Okay? You should understand this is so hypothetical. I'm not saying that whenever somebody comes to you and slaps you and you should stay calm. No, not like that. When anybody coming to your life or your family's or your kids' life, you should slap them back. But what I am saying this, when something wrong happened, learn a lesson from that and don't hurt yourself about that past wrong things happen. So when anybody is seeing your family or your children, just slap them immediately and protect your children from that repeating again. Protect yourself that it should not repeat again. Okay, hope you guys understand what I am saying. This is not like staying calm always. You have to be in your toes. Whenever someone attacks you without your fault, you should give them a good lesson. Then protect yourself from such sort of things and take a lesson. That's it. This is called high frequency mindset. Hope you guys understand what I am saying. And life going on, we definitely change our lives, right? So in the next 5 years, you should be able to see you and your family in a big position than now. That means if you are earning 1 lakh per month now, you should earn 2 lakhs per month after the 5 years. Hope you guys understand. For that, you need to give some time to learn new things. When you don't learn new things, what happens usually is you stay there You don't know what is going to happen. You're not prepared for the rising price levels. I hope you guys know about inflation. Anybody knows about inflation? Please tell me in the chat box. Yeah, you have to know about inflation. Inflation is something when years going on, the expenditure you are making will be very high. For example, if you are making 1 lakh today, after 5 years, the same household chores that are costing you 35,000 this time will move to 50,000 or 55,000 after 5 years. Then what happens? Your earning power decreases, your spending increases. That will make yourself not to grow in your life. You cannot invest anything. So every day 1 hour you should learn a new skill like trading or some form of businesses. Okay, I do train my children. I have 2 boys. I do train my children with some money. I give some money to my children. Whenever I'm going out, I will just give some money. Like they are small kids, right? 50 rupees, 100 rupees, at some point of time, 500 rupees. I have did that one time. My, yeah, my elder son at some point of time he gave away 500 rupees to a kirana merchant, okay, which I know that I have given him that money. He has given him 500 and I haven't seen that. I know that the money goes to him because before that I have given that 500 rupees to him. And once I asked him about the 500 rupees, he said, I have given it to the Kirana merchant. He says he doesn't give any money to me. I don't have proof to show them because you are taking the money. There is some nonsense over there. So that time my kid faced how it is to lose money. Okay, he lost that big amount. He knows that 500 is a big amount. So I told him, I told you, Rohan, why you gave the money to him. I didn't tell you to give money to him. So he just became calm. Now he won't left anything outside. That means when he is going to school, he won't leave his bottles, water bottles, or carriages or any books anywhere. He do understand what is money. Okay, like that you have to train your family members also. I do train my kids to do cooking. Do you believe that? I do train my kids to do cooking, small chores, to make some roti. Why? Because there is a reason for that. I'm having 2 boys, right? I am the only child to my parents, and if there is any situation that I could not cook for them, or they are going abroad, or they are going for other studies to other states, if it happens, what happens? They could not cook, right? They'll eat all the nonsense from outside. Then what happens? It will affect their health. So slowly I'm giving them, because they are kids, they like to do everything we do, right? So I give some atta to them, a few drops of water to them, and I train them to do rotis. Okay, this is how uh, we have to take our lives into our hands. At some point of time, they will understand why I am teaching all these things. This is called high frequency mindset. This is not like, why should I train my children? They have money. I will give them some best school, like that. Most of the parents have this attitude. No, not like this. We don't know what will happen in our lives. They should be very attentive with life, with money also. Hope you guys understand uh, what is high frequency mindset. There are many examples for that. I'm taking all the examples and I'm going to make a video on that. Once I complete the video, I'm going to give it to you so that you can watch whenever you feel low. Okay. Another thing here is you have to be a optimist. When you are a optimist, that means positive thinker, if there is any big problem in your life, you will see the solutions. When you are a pessimist, in the sense negative thinker, okay, the thinking is in negative ways, you will see the problems. Optimistic person sees the solution, pessimistic person sees the problem. So, first step to become a high frequency mindset person, you should be optimistic, right? You should be optimistic and see the solutions for that. Once you are finding solutions for every problem, you will grow in your life. The first 1.5 year may not be much growth, but after 2 years, you will see tremendous growth. You know what? 95% of the self-made millionaires and billionaires here are don't having any property for that. That means they don't have any inheritance. The common quality I have learned from them is they do solve their problems. They do not sit there and cry for their problems. They do solve their problem. Okay, today my live stream has stopped due to the power off. Okay, so what I will do, I will be changing the socket connection. If at all possible, I will change the socket connection to the Wi-Fi so that I could rectify that problem in my future live sessions. So this is called high frequency mindset. Try to inculcate this in your kids also. Okay, try to do it and see after 5 years, your kids will be a great support to you. You no need to go for anyone to ask help. Your kids eventually become your strength. Okay, you eventually become your strength. Please give this knowledge to your girl childs especially. Don't treat your children as princess or prince. Treat them as like a normal person. Okay? Then if anything wrong or any big struggle comes to their life, they will find a way to get out of it. Otherwise, they will sit and cry for years. You will not take their struggles. Any person cannot take struggles from another person, even our childs also. If we protect them for about 20 years, afterwards someone will come to their life, they will definitely face struggles. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Yeah, Sarma sir is saying right, 50 to 70 per kg rice. Yes, you're right. I'm also faced a lot of problems and struggles in my life, Ganesh Ram is saying. Yes, Ganesh Ram, you have faced it. Take some lessons from it. First of all, take those problems from your mind that they are doing some wrong things to you. Take the lessons, write it down in a piece of paper, and see the difference. You will feel lots of freeness in your mind, in your heart. Just do it. I'm not here to just teach you about trading. I'm here to discuss about some good points about our lives, right? If you're having some big money, you don't have peace, that doesn't make any sense. Everything should be balanced. The money, the peace, the happiness are very important in our lives. So, Pawan Krishna, are you from AP or Yeah, I am from Andhra Pradesh. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, we have talked so much. I am only talking, but take one point and see the difference. Okay. the market is staying sideways. Now, Bank Nifty, it is taking support from initial balance low. It really wants to move up, but there is no momentum in the market. There is no momentum in the market. For first 1 hour, you should not expect anything from the market. Okay? That's why I rigorously say that trade with small lots. When you are losing money, think it as your investment. Okay? Think it as your investment. I should say one thing here. Let me take you here. Anybody know about? Just wait a moment. Could anybody know about who is entrepreneur and who is employee? Could anybody say this? Why I am asking is this is regarding trading. Okay? When an entrepreneur thinks about investment, okay, but an employee thinks in terms of expenses. If you want to invest a good course or if you want to invest in a good textbook, employee mindset people think that is an expense. When you are having an entrepreneur mindset, you think buying that book is an investment. Investment is going to give you what will give the investment gives you returns. Okay, the same thing they think differently. This is called mindset. Employee thinks to buy a book in terms of expenses. They think it as a struggle or stress because of the money they are spending. Hope you guys understand difference between entrepreneur and the employee. If you want to become a trader, it's a business and you are an entrepreneur here. You invest money and you take good return of money. And you should know this one also. You should know that entrepreneurship is otherwise called as taking risks, calculated risks, and working hard for that to gain more returns. Taking risks in a calculated way to get more returns. If you are investing 1 lakh rupees, you know that there is a chance to lose that 1 lakh rupees if something wrong happens, but still you work to get the gains on that 1 lakh rupees like 50,000, 60,000 rupees. From now onwards, you are an entrepreneur, you are not an employee. Yeah, Ganesh Ram, knowledge can I get from course to do all types of trade analysis like index, swing, equity markets, crude oil. Actually, I know that CPR pivot points is useful in indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty, for equity markets, for stocks like any Nifty 50 stocks. But whatever you want to do, once you learn the system, you have to backtest it. Yes, it is useful for crude oil also, Ganesh Ram, but I don't know about swing trading. As of now, I didn't do any swing trading because that is not my way of doing things. I can't sleep when I invested swing on swing trades. Okay, that's why I'm not into swing trading till now. But this system is useful for stocks as well as indices, crude oil, gold. I have back tested this on crude oil and gold mini. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, Funai. Yes, welcome back, Fun. I have answered your question in the previous stream, but there is a disconnection. Hope you understood what I'm saying. If you got your answer, please tell me yes. Otherwise, I will again give it to you. In this chart also, I have given you, I think so. No. Yeah. See, you go to the chart from the first top chart, you will see your targets. Fun eye. The first target for L&T according to CPR system for me is 3540 and the second target is 3740. Let me show you here. Okay, when I see this, the first target is 3540, second target is 3740 according to the CPR system. There is a reason for that. Let me tell you the reason. See, this is the place where this is the daily time frame chart of L&T stock. From the place where it is moving downwards, once it goes to this supply zone, there is a form of consolidation or some pull down here, pull back here. Then at some point of time, there is a higher probability to reach this all-time high or the swing high, which is 3740. Okay, thank you, Fun Eye. I'm glad for answering your question. Still, even though it is showing like that, still I am bullish in the market because until or unless it closes above this support, we cannot expect bearish movement. At any point of time, if it having the momentum, they will reach the CPR. Yeah, you are welcome, Ganesh Ram and Fun Eye. Yes, Sarma sir, I know you are an entrepreneur. I know about your son. Entrepreneur mindset persons will only do that type of studies to their children. I'm very proud to talk with you. You are really an entrepreneur in my view. Yeah, Piyush is asking, do you read option data? No, Piyush, I don't read option data. Because of the simplicity I am making I want. I do trade high probability trade locations because I am a low risk appetite person, right? I don't see all the complex data. I just trade the high probability trade locations, and that is enough for me till now. I'm planning to know about complete system about footprint charts and order flow, which is connected to my view. Okay, I'm not really connected with option data. I do implement order flow and footprint charts in my trading in the next few months. I'm reading on those concepts once I understood everything so that I can do it. Can you backtest any stock in live and show us results since last 2 years. Yeah, I could do it. Can we do it now? Now I have already backtested HCL. Let me take you to that. For that, you should know my system, right? So without knowing the system, backtesting is not so possible. If at all you know the concept of CPR pivot points, you will understand that. Anyways, I will go to the HCL and I would like to show you, okay, how these levels are important to take the trade. Because if you want to trade the markets, you should know the system completely. Because you don't know about the complete CPR system, I could not explain everything here, but I could show you the importance of these levels. Like it's a on that particular day, either CPR pivot points will hold the price and push the price upwards, or any pivot like that. For example, see here on this day, see how the price is taking support at S1. It is giving you some bullishness. Okay, when the price coming back here also, it is giving another pullback. The indices are in downtrend, I mean consolidation and moving downwards, right? Like this. Okay, they are moving like this, right? That's the reason why this support taking here did not reach the CPR. If the overall market sentiment is good, then they will definitely reach this CPR. Okay. Yeah, you don't know complete system about CPR. Just see, to gain some knowledge about CPR, just see the importance here. See, price opened here, right? Throughout the day, the CPR doesn't let the price to move downwards. When it is moving downwards, it is taking support at some point of time. It wants to hold the price, give the price support. CPR is acting as the support. On the last hours, it took momentum and there is a back-to-back green candles like this. Okay. So, see, it is rejecting from these levels. Okay. Rejecting from above the CPR levels. Okay. And it closes below the previous day low and the S1. When the price again goes there, CPR traders knew that there are chances to the price to move from this pivot to this pivot. This is one of the high probability trade setup. Okay, when it is moving here, they know that the price could go from here till here. It depends upon the trend. Okay, whatever you learn, it depends upon the trend. After learning all these things, you should give your time to plan the trades and execute the trades. Okay. See how it is taking support at this point, the first 5-minute candle. When the price again comes here, traders who trade the markets know about it and they enter the markets here, back to back green candles till next pivot. Okay. This is what actually happens with the CPR pivot points. Due to the volatility, yeah, see, this is the Virgin CPR. Let me mark this. Okay, this is the Virgin CPR. I have played the importance of Virgin CPR. I have played this video on this live, the importance of Virgin CPR. See how the price is taking support from the Virgin CPR. Okay. It depends upon on that particular day's price action. we need some form of expertise to make money from the markets. Hope you understand. There is a magic ingredient. That ingredient is you. When you learn a system, you should have a keen focus on making money. Okay, then only you can read the charts like a pro. When you are not keen about what market is doing, it's very difficult to make money. Taking granted attitude is very dangerous. See how it is taking support near CPR goes in that direction. In live market, the problem is here. We don't have the exact entry sometimes. Okay, we don't have the exact entries. See, this is the big bullish candle, right? When the price coming back here, the CPR traders know they enter here. Why? Because they have to put their stop loss below this candle, which is the high probability trade location. This is what happens. Yeah, Fanai is asking what's the probability of hitting our target if we take 1,000 trades in a financial year based on backtested. Actually, this sort of backtesting is done for non-directional trading with some sort of softwares. I haven't done this type of analysis. What I do is go to the 30-minute time frame and I will just backtest everything. Okay. And after backtesting it in the live market, I come up with one lot, few shares or few lots. Then I keep on building my confidence with that stock or index. Okay. Then I will build knowledge on that and I will scale up. This is how I do the analysis. I don't know about taking 1,000 trades in a financial year and those type of backtesting. Yeah, it's asking about is it martingale strategy? Sorry, I don't know about the martingale strategy. I am good at CPR strategies. Whatever you ask within CPR, I could answer you. Outside CPR, I don't know. I know about Camarilla pivot also, but I don't know martingale strategy. If you are good at it, please explain me so that I will understand it. If I know about it, I will definitely discuss it with you. So see here. You should have an attitude of trial and error method. Okay, when you trail and there is an error, if you could rectify it, that system is for you. If you are trying and you could not rectify what is happening in that system is not for you. In my case, non-directional trading is not for me. Directional trading is for me. So see here, CPR is holding the price. Okay. On any given day, either CPR is rejecting here. Okay. Or any pivot will reject or take support at those levels. See, at this level, it is taking support here. It is falling and at some point of time it is taking the support like this, a pivot. This is the importance of CPR pivot points. Yeah, I just do back testing like this. For any person, in my view, want to trade the stocks, you should have 5 to 6 blue chip stocks. Okay, and backtest the system on those 5 to 6 blue chip stocks then prepare a plan. Planning is what makes a novice trader into a pro trader. Didn't get that? I'm repeating. Practice is what makes novice trader to a pro trader. Hope you guys understand. If you want to be a pro trader, you should prepare yourself for the markets up and downs. Okay. Oh, yeah, I understood fun. I understood, but I'm not a person like that. Martingale strategy is about increasing our position size every time we lose until we take winning trade. No, I'm not a person like that. Whenever I'm losing, I will not increase my position size at all. Hope you understand. When I am winning, there are times I would like to increase one or two lots, but I'm not a person like gambling mindset with martingale strategy. When I lose, I just get out of the markets. I don't really trade the markets. Okay, you can follow CPR Fun Eye. Yeah. This is how, and I'm not misleading you that it is very easy to trade with CPR pivot points. No, it has its challenges and limitations. But in my view, it's a good system. See how the price is taking support at this pivot. Okay, with if it wants to take the support here, but the volatility here is the negative sentiment could price the price move downwards. This is how we do the analysis. There are high probability trade locations for every stock. For every stock you need to do your pre-market analysis just like this. Okay, you need to do it. What is the trend? What is the 5-minute trend? Is there any virgin CPRs here? Is there any gap borders here? Turning points, supply demand zones, swing highs and lows. That's why I choose to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, because which is in my control, right? I could do only Nifty Bank Nifty. What are the macro events that are affecting Nifty Bank Nifty? I will know in the near future, right? Why I'm not taking stocks, I'm explaining. When you want to take stocks, you should understand what is happening with the stocks. For example, it is related to FMCG, everyday needs. You should know about the macro events that is affecting FMCG. Okay, if you are dealing with oil related companies, you should know there are any events related to oil companies. So to reduce the stress on me, I choose Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I follow the same systems to take money from the markets. Which Sarma sir is asking which languages you know. Yeah, I know only 2 languages, sir. English and my mother tongue Telugu. If it is about trading, I could understand Hindi. Otherwise, I don't understand anything in Hindi. Related to trading only, I could understand. See, this is the downtrend, right? During the downtrend, how the CPR is rejecting the price. How the CPR is rejecting the price. How the CPR is rejecting. CPR is rejecting. Above the CPR it has opened, but it closes below the CPR, there is a downfall. Until it changes its direction, it is in the downfall. When you see See, it is in the downfall, rejecting from the CPR until it changes its trend. Now the trend has changed here. Okay, let's see the next step. See, it has changed its trend according to the CPR system. From here, uptrend. Yeah, please suggest Fun Eye. I would like to hear your suggestions so that I can improve myself. Yeah, let's see. It is still there. Yeah, good idea. Very good idea, Fun Eye. Yeah, I'll definitely do it. Oh, you are Telugu person. I'm good to hear that. I'll definitely do Inner Circle Trader. Yeah, I have an idea right now. The way of reading charts will be completely changed. Thank you so much for this idea. I wanted to connect with my subscribers because I'm having 1400 plus subscribers and they are not active in this channel. Yes, I will definitely do Inner Circle Trader. The name is also so apt. Okay, then I have an idea. Every Friday evening, I am going to discuss the price action of Nifty and Bank Nifty from Monday to, yeah, from Monday to Friday. Okay? Yes. Friday evening, I am going to discuss about from Monday to Friday charts. Awesome. The way of, yes. Yeah, that's why I'm here. You're Telugu. Good. Very nice to hear that. Thanks for coming. And now I'm announcing that on every Friday I'm going to do Inner Circle Trader, which is related to reading the charts. Okay. And I should tell you the time also. Fun Eye, please tell me the time also. What time you people are ready to give me some time to explain about the charts. You guys please tell me on Friday on which time you are free. Okay, mid cap Nifty is rocketing to bone. Okay, okay, I'm actually, yeah, that may be true. Yeah, Pawan Krishna, I recall that you are the person. Yeah, Pawan Krishna, you are the person who bought my course. Welcome. And if you are here, please tell me, have you completed the course? Is there any doubts? You're not good in trading, but good in chatting. Chatting in the chatting or charting? Difference is there. Yeah, Pawan Krishna, I'm sorry. I just saw your name just now and just recalled about you. Thank you so much for that. And if you have any doubts, please write down in a piece of paper and mail me. Then I will definitely address those doubts. Fun eye, you are good in chatting, not charting. Yes, I'm good in charting. Explaining the charts, I'm very good at it. I'm little bit good at day trading also. I am planning to increase that goodness in day trading, to scale up, to be in this field for my lifetime. I am working on that. Okay, Pavan Krishna. I am watching the videos. I have to try for few days before asking questions. Definitely try it. But you should be able to know initial balance high and low, how to mark high probability trade locations with supports like swing high, swing low. Hope you understand what I am saying. Then you apply this in the live market. Okay. Or every day, if you have any question, mail me. I will definitely answer on that particular day's price action. Ignore the disturbance in that videos. I'm just doing the new videos without any disturbance, some good quality. Once I complete everything, I will definitely give answer. Okay, Sharma sir is saying 8 p.m. Definitely, sir. Listen here, the members who are watching this. On every Friday at 8 p.m., we are going to have inner circle trader, which we discuss about that whole week's price action. Okay, that whole week's price action at 8 p.m. And together we can improve our trading. Yeah, can we see your last few months trade book, in the sense trading journal, or the trading terminal? Actually, I wasn't trading for last 2 months because of some issue at my home. Once I start doing the trading, I am accumulating some good amount for me to be as a option seller. Then I will definitely show my trading terminal. Yeah, I will definitely show it to you, Fun Eye. Yeah, right now I wanted to be an option seller. I'm finding out a solution to become a option buyer, because being a option buyer itself is a leverage for us. I wanted to be, but according to the situation, I became the option seller. When it is consolidating, I should show you one thing here. I do journal my trades. Okay. So on the moment I have changed my decision from option buying to selling, I will show you. Just wait a moment. The reason I will show you here. On one day, what happens? I took a trade in Nifty. Okay, it is moving in my direction, but I'm not showing any profits uh, in my PNL. So where is that day? That day I have decided to be a option seller. I have missed it. Once I found out about it, I will definitely show it to you. It's an example, please see. I wanted to be bullish in the market in Nifty like this. A good green candle was there. It is moving in my direction, but I'm not seeing any profits in my PNL. So I have understood that that day is Friday, I think so. So during the Fridays also that much theta decay when it is going in my direction. So I have moved from option buying to option sell. Thank you so much for that great idea, Fun Eye, so that I will not miss any minute thing in my trading. To explain you guys, I will do it much better and this will improve my trading, day trading journey as well. Just a moment, I have. Hello. Sharma sir is asking, today is uptrend but market goes down, so option seller will lose money. No, option sellers will not lose money because option sellers lose money in one way. Like, let me explain this. Option sellers will lose money when there is a big, when there is a big momentum candles like this. Then only option sellers will lose money most of the time. This is staying sideways, right? Okay. Some form of theta decay will help them to stay in the markets. They will not lose money. Option buyers will lose money today. For suppose they are bearish after this breakout of initial balance low. Okay. It is going nowhere but staying sideways like this. Their premium will erode when time goes on. Okay, even though it is moving in that direction, sometimes there is no profit to them. They are going to lose some money. So this day is not so good for option buying. Who buy the puts, they are not going to be happy. See, morning this trade where Piyush has entered the markets, that is a good trade for option buyers. Definitely a good trade. Yeah, what else to discuss here? There is a quiet day today, all day long. Can discuss about your previous trading experience. Who is here? Fun I, Sharma sir, Pavan Krishna, Ganesh Ram. You can discuss your previous trading ups and downs in the chat box so that we will know each other. VIX is relatively high, so no option sellers in Nifty. Bank Nifty won't book major losses and another add-on is less. Let's see what will happen after European markets from that. So you're having some good knowledge about non-directional trading, I think so. Funai. That's very good. Yeah, VIX is very high. VIX is high, momentum is high, right? That's why option sellers don't enter the markets. But you're saying that VIX is high and momentum is less. What does it mean? What does it mean? I don't know about these concepts. Could you please tell me? I would like to know about the India VIX, the option chain data complete analysis. I am working on that. If possible, please share it in few words. My doubt here is VIX is really high, right? So option seller obviously don't enter. Non-directional option sellers don't enter. But when VIX is relatively high, I have heard that momentum is could be very high, so that option sellers stay away from the market. If possible, please explain. Otherwise, no problem. So, in my view, if Nifty closes above this level, then there is going to be some good move towards the CPR. Yes. Okay. I've heard that I have heard that India VIX should be less than 16 points to the option seller to make money as an non-directional option seller. But you are saying that high VIX will give good money. So it's okay. I don't have good knowledge on that. I will learn. Definitely, I will learn. Okay, low VIX is good for option buyers. Okay, yeah, I have understood that. Now both the indices could reach the CPR. See everybody, it's a good sign. Now Nifty, especially Nifty is going to reach till the CPR. It's my view because this is the Virgin CPR, right? It is acting as support here and it has closed above the 20 EMA along with the pivot. Yeah, Sharma sir is saying I followed VWAP strategy but it's not working now. See, every strategy VWAP, CPR pivot points, Camarilla pivot points is good. We don't understand where to implement it. If you are using VWAP, it's very good if you have complete knowledge. This applicable only you are having complete knowledge, not just watching some videos on the YouTube. Like if you know you have taken the course, right? Now you have complete knowledge of CPR pivot points. Like that, if you have the complete knowledge of VWAP, you definitely can make money from the markets. Okay. So don't leave the VWAP strategy from your mind. Just keep on observing it in the live market. Who knows, at some point of time with the CPR pivot points, if you include the VWAP also, yeah, there are chances to make money. Hope you understand, Sarma sir. Yeah, but as per my system, I am expecting both the indices to move upwards now onwards. I mean, less momentum, but even though less momentum, there are chances to the price as per the system to move from here till here. Okay. Okay. Yes. If you have VWAP strategies also, just keep them in mind. Journal them also. So will you definitely get at some point of time the advantage of learning the CPR pivot points and the VWAP. My God, if I want to learn about VIX, my energy levels coming down. My energy levels coming down, but I will do it. I will push myself to learn these concepts. Just, I will give you a picture of it. Just India VIX. Okay. I will just push myself. I'm a high frequency mindset person. Yeah, I do take uncomfortable things. Yes, I do it. So this is like this. India VIX index. Yeah, it is 15.68, right? Is it right? Fun I? IV 1630. India VIX. Yeah, is it correct? This is 16 points now. We are having India VIX index also. It's a new perspective for me today. It's completely new perspective. India VIX index is working on CPR. I have to look after this to take the trades. I never know about India VIX index. Can we trade in India VIX index? Fun I? We have to turn off the CPR. Okay, now daily chart. There's so much of volatility here, so many wicks here. Ten, 11, 16. Thanks for teaching me. Yeah, I'll definitely do it. I'll push myself to learn it. Okay, at exactly 16. Okay, 16 and 11. Okay, we can't trade. Okay. Yeah, I have marked at 16 and 11. Just represents data about volatility of NSE. Oh, that means NSE, it wants to move up. As per the chart, it wants to move up. Here is the resistance here. Thank you so much, Fun I have learned some new things today. Thank you. Let's go to our charts. We should refresh. It is moving up. Calmly, it is moving up. Yeah, it is in all-time high. Yes, it's like fear index. When the fear is high, yes, true. Yes, high weeks, high fear. I will remember this like this. High weeks, high fear. See, the price is moving towards CPR. Okay. The entries, precise entries, exits are very important in day trading. Precise entries, exits. No, no fun, I know. Sometimes we have to learn new things. It should tell us you don't know anything, you're just a drop in this area. We have to learn new things. Thanks for giving that knowledge to me. I haven't had my lunch. I should take it after 10 minutes. Yeah, my expectation now is it will reach CPR in Nifty, or at least this pivot in Nifty. Sometimes what happens, the right entry is not there. For me, even though it is showing bullishness, the right entry is not, is still don't have. So at some point of time, what I do is I just play the setting. For example, I have a gut feeling about with my experience it will reach this time, but when this happens, right entry is not there. When I enter after this close of candle, I will take my profits at this pivot. At this pivot, I don't wait for the price to reach this level. Okay, so I play the set time. What all I have entered here, my target is this. Then just take a 15 minutes break and let's come back and see what the price is doing here. Okay, let's take some break. Yes, option buyers. All these factors make trading difficult. That's why every day is a new day. Market always loves the person, a trader who is intelligent enough to learn the dynamics of the market and take the entries at the precise, perfect entries and perfect exits. Okay, for me, playing the certain is my game. Even though I am an option seller, if it reaches my target, I will definitely get out of the trade. I don't wait much on markets. Okay. See, it is moving in our direction. This is the power of analysis. Okay, this is the power of analysis. But it takes a lot of screen time, patience. Okay, that's why I have chosen option selling. Even though it is not moving in my direction for some point of time, I may not panic. Yeah, I may not panic about it. Oh, one eye trading is super easy with money. I don't really agree with this, you know. If it is so easy, we can make lakhs of rupees every day. No, it's, in my words, it is a disciplined approach towards the market. I'm saying my view. I don't think trading is so easy, but when you made money from the markets, you are a unique person in my view. So because they know something which the rest of the traders don't know, then only they can make money. So I have deep respect towards who are making money from the markets. If it is so easy, please tell me how to do it. I want some lakhs of rupees every month. Panay. You have made this day? Same LTs. LT is in good mode, yes. Yeah. It's in good mode. It is in bullish way. What is your target? 3,450 or 750? Please, I don't. Sorry, 3,540 or 3,740? Let's go to L&T. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I know you will make some good money. Okay, but I have a question here. The target you have asked is about for swing trading, right? Intraday trading, that much topic, I mean, that much big target. After your lunch, doubling the money. Fund, right? 3,600. Okay, you are expecting the market will go to 3,600. Okay. In my view, let me tell you, this is the resistance. 3,540 is the resistance in mine. Okay. Please mail it. I would like to see it. 60. Okay. Oh, good. Congratulations. That's awesome, Father. Have a great day. Yeah, in my view, it is again I forgot 3540. Yeah, and as per the expectation, Nifty is going upwards. Bank Nifty also. And guys, it's about 1:30 p.m. Please go and have your lunch. We have to take care of our ourselves also. Have lunch at the right time and come back to the live session. Yes, sometimes every trader has to book losses. That's true. But at some point of time, the losses should be less than profits. Okay, I can understand. Every trader books losses. Those who know where to book the losses is a good trader, in my view. You should not pick everything. You should not pick every trade to be a successful one, hand holding them. Such a big support in Nifty. Please get your lunches to the trading terminal so that you can eat at the right time. You know what? When we sit like this for hours and hours doing our screen time, sometimes we feel like very heavy, right? I have a tip for that. When you feel like this, go and have some somp. What it is called in English, I don't know. In Telugu, it is called soap, which is like jeera, a green texture like jeera. When you eat that, you will feel light. Okay, so keep this. I would like to keep that jeera aside of me. Whenever I feel like this during the long market hours, I do eat it. You're welcome. You're welcome. Fana, you're welcome. So it is halting here near the turning point. It is going in our direction. Let's see what Nifty is doing right now. It is rejecting from here. Sarma sir, I don't understand what to share. Please tell me. Yeah, it is rejecting at these levels. When you are a option seller, I'm not promoting option selling, but when you are a option seller, if it is coming back like this, you no need to panic. Okay, you no need to panic to some extent, and you are going to make in the form of theta decay. Some form of theta decay will be there with option sellers. Okay, I still be bullish in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. I still. Novice traders do this when it is against their pre-market analysis. They think like this. They do take unplanned trades. When they are not taking the planned trades, what happens? There are hundreds of opportunities in the market. Here, there, in a bullish way, bearish way. All these comes with a lot of confusion. When you are sticking yourself with a system like CPR pivot points, you will understand this later. What is the importance here? Okay, so don't go here and there. Learn a system, stick to that system, improvise, tweak that system day by day, so that you will get good opportunities in the market. Don't feel the every market price change. Don't feel every price change. Earlier when I was started day trading, I feel every price change in the chart, which gives me more stress. So what I did was I keep on simplifying these things. Okay. First learn the CPR system, then the high probability trade locations, then sticking to my pre-market plan. Okay. When I enter with good position sizing, I stay calm, whether it is a profit or a loss. Okay. I keep on doing the trading journal. Again, repeating all those things will give us confidence. Hope you guys understand. Reason why I am bullish here is the power of confluence here. Let me explain what is power of confluence. Power of confluence is something, just give me a moment. Yeah, power of confluence. Confluence in the sense two or more things happening at a time. Okay, two or more things happening at a time. For example, you can see here this pink region is the virgin CPR. Okay, and this green region is the initial balance high and low, which is the first 1 hour trading range. So see here, this candle, this is the 1255 candle, which is at the support of virgin CPR. Along with the 20 MA, it is taking support and closing above the pivot as well as the initial balance low. Here we are having 4 power of confluences. I am asking you people to type in the chat box what are the 4 power of confluences here, or whatever you see in the Nifty chart. Why I am asking is, once you are able to train your eyes with this sort of analysis, you can do your own analysis. No need to approach any other person like me. At some point of time you will understand how to read the charts. So I'm asking you people to type in the chat box, whoever may be in this live room, please do it in the chat box. It should be like a communicative way. Just watching like that doesn't give you anything. Okay, if you have learned something, you have to implement it in the live market. Yeah, Fun Eye, this is my mail ID. Take it and please send it. Yeah, Pavan Krishna, really appreciative that you took the initiative. Bullish candle. You should need this sort of communication with me, because you are watching my course, right? When you are watching this and that simultaneously, you will get your way of doing analysis. Okay? After 3 or 4 months, you can do your own analysis. So bullish candle support EMA. Yes, Virgin CPR. These are the two supports. Pavan Krishna, the another power of confluence here is the initial balance low. Okay, this 1255 candle is closing above the initial balance low along with the pivot. This is the pivot S2, which is a good indication for the price to move in your direction. And I have played a video on Virgin CPR. How many of you have watched it about the Virgin CPR? I am not playing the videos for just watch time or something like that. According to the context, if there is anything to be learned by the live viewers, I am playing those things. Okay, so whenever I play that, try to watch it. So when I'm discussing it later in the live sessions or in my videos, you will connect it really good. Okay. So the analysis here is, when the price is taking support from the Virgin CPR, it is having the high probability to reach the today's CPR. Okay, today's CPR, it is having high probability to reach today's CPR. So our expectation here is to reach this CPR at some point of time in the day. It is already 2 o'clock. So for about 1 hour or more, it will reach the CPR. Sharma sir, 200 EMA will not accept without 20 EMA. So it will come down and pick 20 EMA. Okay, very good analysis. You can put yourself the 200 mA, 20 mA also. Yes, Virgin CPR, IBL. True. So, all these power of confluences will take the price upwards till CPR. In the real time market, when we are investing our hard earned money, we don't have this much patience to wait. Isn't it? We don't have this much patience, but trading is otherwise called as waiting. See how it is moving upwards. This is the power of CPR pivot points. When we are making losses, there are two reasons. The first reason is maybe the market is in the correction mode or it is changing its direction. On these two, on those times we lost. The second one is we haven't learned the concepts of CPR pivot points perfectly and we enter the market. On these two times we will lose the money. Okay. To when it is changing its direction or something like that, it is not in our hands. That's why we say that when it is changing its trend, if we stick to our system, we may face some losses. Okay. And if you don't learn the system, you will always make losses. Learn the system perfectly, then stick to the plan you want to take the trade, the location, high probability trade location. Then see your demat account will grow slowly. When it is growing slowly, you will gain some confidence to scale up your or position size yourself, so that at that point of time you can earn your living from the day trading. Hope you guys understood what I'm saying. Just be patient in the learning curve, in the process, and see you can make money. You guys having had your lunch? If not, please grab your lunch and sit here. Let's eat together. Okay guys, I need to do some video work for the YouTube channel. I'm going to end this live now, and tomorrow I'm not going to be live. Why? Because of some other stuff doing regarding my course related thing. So let's meet you on Wednesday, and please watch the pre-market analysis and try to do yourself the analysis and see how the high probability trade locations are prices reacting at those levels for tomorrow. Let's meet you on Wednesday. Thank you so much for coming live and staying here. Bye bye.